So this video is about how you can use a Google form to create an entrance or even an exit ticket where you ask questions of your students. First thing you do is you go here and you go to New, and you're looking for Form, which is on the second part, and you go Create and Share, and you want to title it and if you click up here, all of a sudden it goes to the title up there. You can add a description, and then you start writing questions. They give you one prompt. So you always want to start with, and then it figures out it's a short answer. You probably want to make it required. You slide this over here, and then what you'll notice when you do that is you're going to get an asterisk when I go on to the next question. So watch, see, there's an asterisk. Now we go, what is your last name? Short answer. We want to make it required. Want to add a new question. We want to make it multiple choice. What is your favorite color? And we got to make this multiple choice, right? So multiple choice. So red, blue, green. And you could change it. You could have just made it check boxes. You could have made it a paragraph, whatever you want to do, but there are multiple things you can put on there. The other thing you can do is add a video. So to do a video, you first want to get a video. So let's go to YouTube and see if we can get an Amideast video. And there's one. And so we go back to the form. And we add it in. And then we can title it. And when we're done, we get something that might look like this. And you notice someone's already done it, so if you click here, you get a spreadsheet right over here, an Excel spreadsheet. And you create it, and you can see the responses with a timestamp and the answers. And that's how you can make a Google form.